President of Mongolia Khatmagin Bogdanoğlu continues to hold bilateral meetings with the heads of state and government on the sidelines of the Eastern Economic Forum in Vladivostok, Russia. Prime Minister of Japan Shinzo Abe paid a courtesy call on President Bogdanoğlu on September 11th. The two leaders also met during the Eastern Economic Forum of last year. At the beginning of the meeting, the President Bogdanoğlu expressed his condolences for the natural disaster in Japan and the full empathy of the Mongolians to help the people of Japan. Prime Minister Shinzo Abe appreciated the President Bogdanoğlu's expression of the condolences and said that he was pleased to see the President Bogdanoğlu at the Eastern Economic Forum again. The President Bogdanoğlu expressed Mongolia's interest to supply energy in the establishment of the Northeast Asian supergrid for energy and to widely cooperate with Japan in the areas of tourism, agriculture, and establishment of an eco-city. Prime Minister Shinzo Abe expressed his support for the proposal of President Bogdanoğlu while addressing the commissioning of the new airport in Khushuk Valley, Mongolia, and the development of tourism sector under clear plans. The sides had an open discussion regarding a number of issues, including the development of bilateral cooperation within the frames of Economic Partnership Agreement, increase of Mongolia's export to Japan, and regional security.